Welcome, lovelies. I am going to show you a cold and oldie, a well-loved piece of the Lousje and Bean collections. Many years ago, we started the Jack sweater because we wanted a very versatile, easy piece that could be in your wardrobe all year. And a one-size-fits-all, which is always welcome, right? And I think oh my goodness, over the years, many of you lovelies own one or two or three, because yeah, it's like we say, it's the cliche, gets old, it's a no-brainer. So we brought it back. It just got fresh from the cutting table and the machines. We just picked it up from our factory in Toronto. We brought it back in the gray and black stripe and in this gorgeous red and black stripe. Let's go over the details. So as you can see, it's a one-size-fits-all. It's got two pockets. It's exposed seams, which is a nice look. We really like that look. Exposed seams here. Long sleeves, but I've rolled them for now. Pretty, pretty straight in the back, and a really nice length too. It covers your bum, it covers you, gives you a nice coverage. We play with the stripes to give it a little bit more interest, and then it always comes with a scarf, which is really nice. As you know, we are the scarf people. And you can wear it like this. You can wear it quite often. I have a few of these. And quite often, if I want to make a little short scarf, I wear it like this. It's a cute little, and it's nice. It's nice. If it's a little chilly, then you have a nice little coverage around your neck. I paired it up with red because I think this whole color scheme screams for red. So I got my lovely red sandals, and you always ask where they're from. They are from Strat, this wonderful shoe store in Fonthill. And I bought them a few years ago. So in the jeans, I'm wearing a size 4. Beautiful necklace from Jackie Brazil. Even though this looks very, like, it makes a huge statement, it's very light, which is what I love about it. And all these gorgeous big beads and the different color reds and little splurge of black in it. And the beads are different. Square, elongated, like funny shape here. It's a nice outfit, summer outfit, as you can see. So this sweater stays in our wardrobe all year because it's a bamboo viscose, a cotton, and a lycra blend. It's a very light tricot. It's a very light knit. It washes amazing, beautiful, great for traveling too. I quite often bring one on my trips. This one here, I will change shortly. But as you can see, this is our tank dress, our Lousje and Bean tank dress. How lovely is it with a tank dress? A little bit dressier, but a great look. So I will go and change and show you this one with another outfit underneath. I'll be back. Okay, lovely. So I'm back, and this is our cooler weather version of the Jack sweater. So I have paired it up with the long tank, and the long tank is one of the Lousje and Bean essentials, or the basics as we call them. It's a little tank top and it's long, as you can see. With my length, I have like a little mini dress on. Great fabric and bamboo viscose again, and it's one of those staples that you pull out all the time because you can see how cool this layering look is. I also added a pair of Lousje and Bean leggings, and this one has the little mesh hard cuffs at the bottom. And I've got an angel necklace, which is beautiful on these Jack sweaters, and cerise clear earrings. And this is the little cooler weather version of the Jack sweater. And of course my scarf it's great that this sweater comes with a scarf. Okay, lovelies, I hope you liked it. Keep on smiling, and we'll see you soon.